Welcome to Upgraded High School Paniyamudiyam online smart class. So children, today we are going to learn writing of letters or how to write letters. As you know, there are two kinds of letters. What are they? Letter is divided into two categories. First one is formal and next one is informal letter. So what is formal letter? Formal letter means the letter we send to the officers, just like to the office of the headmaster or any head of the institution. You may say principal, administrators. Okay. Now, next one is when we send to other officers, just like to the office of the collector, office of the engineer, office of the editor, office of the superintendent of police, or IIC. So, these all letters they come under category of formal writing. So children, before writing formal letter, what are the points to be remembered or what are the points to be kept in mind while writing the formal letter? Let's discuss about it. As we know, formal writing is not easy because we have to keep some points, some valuable points in our mind when we write a letter. So what are these points? What should be kept in mind while you write a letter? Let's discuss about it. First one, address of sender. Address of sender means the person who is sending the letter. Suppose if I am sending letter, then I am the person. So my address should be there in the letter. First, that one is first point, address of sender. The next one is date. Means here in address place will be available, so no need to write the place. Okay. Second point, we have to write date. What is the date today? Suppose today's date is 6/8/2020 or 6th August 2020. We have to write that. Not this like we have to write 6/8/2020. Not this like. We have to write 6th August 2020. This is the proper way to write the date. 6th August 2020. Like this. Don't write 6/8/2020. Okay. So this is about date. The second one, address of addressee. Address of addressee means the person to whom we are sending the letter. Suppose if we are sending the letter to headmaster, to the collector, to the minister or to any government offices, that address should be noted down in your formal application or your letter. So address of addressee is must because this is the address where the letter to be reached. The second point, cause. Cause means it can be subject. Subject of the application or for which subject you are writing the application. Suppose if I am asking 3 days leave, then we can write in subject area that grant of 3 days leave. Request to grant 3 days leave. We can write like this. So this is subject or cause of letter. Then body of letter. Body of the letter. But before that we have to put salutation. What is salutation? Salutation means suppose I say sir, madam. Then these are called salutation. Okay. Sir, madam, that is respect to the person you are writing the letter. So salutation is must. After salutation, we have to come to body of the letters. Body of the letter, what is body of the letter? Means the cause that we have discussed here or the subject that we discuss here, we have to elaborate it. Means taku develop kariya padibo. So that is called body of the letter. So whatever the topic is, whatever the subject is, we have to elaborate it, we have to develop it, we have to explain it. That is called body of the letter. So after the body of the letter finished, then what to do? After that, signature and conclusion. Signature and conclusion. Signature means yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. Generally, these three we write in official letter or formal letter. So that is conclusion. Signature. Signature means yours name. Yours faithfully. X, 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 X. Like this we can write your name. X, X, X means your name should be noted down. So, what are the conclusions should be there? Yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. We cannot write yours dearly, yours lovingly. And one thing, don't put apostrophe here. It is yours. Yours is one page only. Because we write always yours, yours, yours. That is, we know that these all are personal pronouns. So we don't put apostrophe here. Yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. So after that, after the conclusion, after signature. Signature means your name should be there. So children, these points that we discussed here, that should be noted down in your copy so that you can better understand what are the kinds of letters and what are the points to remember while writing an A1 letter. So, चलो आउथरे मु ओडिया रे कहि दोछि जे आमे फॉर्मल लेटर लेखिबा पूर्व को पॉइंट गुरा को हम ध्यान रखिया पड़ो. फर्स्ट वन, एड्रेस ऑफ द सेंडर. एड्रेस ऑफ सेंडर कोन जा पाखको जे लेखुची एड्रेस का जे ए लेटर टा लेखुची से होची एड्रेस ऑफ सेंडर. जे लेटर पठाए तार एड्रेस माने फ्लेवर. देन डेट तापर हम लिखबा डेट. डेट पर कोन लिखबा एड्रेस ऑफ एड्रेसी. एड्रेस ऑफ एड्रेसी माने प्राप्तेसु जा को लेटर प्राप्त हो बा जा को हम लेटर टा लेखुचे सेटा होची एड्रेस ऑफ एड्रेसी. तापर कॉज. कॉज माने कोन सब्जेक्ट को ऊपर को विषय ऊपर এই লেটারটা লেখা হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে কজ বা সাবজেক্ট. তারপরে বডি অফ দ্য লেটার কিন্তু তা পূর্বে আমি লগাইবা স্যালুটেশন. স্যালুটেশন মানে কোন মহাশয় মহাশয়া. আমি তো ওড়িয়া লিখুছে ঠিক সেমতি স্যার আর ম্যাডাম আমি ইংলিশে লিখিবা. তো এটা হচ্ছে বডি স্যালুটেশন. স্যালুটেশন পরে বডি অফ লেটার. বডি অফ লেটার जो বিষয়বস্তু উপরে আমি এটি লিখিলে সেই বিষয়বস্তুকে আমি ডেভেলপ করিবা ताको एलाबोरेट करिबा सेटा होची बॉडी ऑफ लेटर. तापरे सबु सरला परे हम कोन करिबा सिग्नेचर एंड कंक्लूजन. सिग्नेचर कंक्लूजन कोन योर्स फेथफुली, योर्स ट्रूली, योर्स सिंसियरली. जनरली एई तीनटा हमें लेखु. तो या परे सिग्नेचर माने आपनकर ना एठी रहइबा निहाती आवश्यक. तो एटा होची सिग्नेचर एंड कंक्लूजन पेज. So children, I hope you understood what are the kinds of letter, and I also understood that what points you should keep in mind while writing the formal letter. So children, I will give you one example in my next class. So till that time, thank you very much. Good day to all. Thank you very much.